Laptop battery, not charging Windows 10 11 solution. Start by right-clicking the Start button and choose Device Manager. Now look for the section named Batteries. Expand it. You'll see two options here. Right-click on both, one by one, and choose Update Drive on each. If this not help, right-click on both, one by one, and choose Uninstall Device. Don't worry, these will automatically reinstall after a restart. Now remove the battery if it's removable. If not, just hold down the power button for 30 seconds to discharge any leftover static power. Next, plug the charger back in without turning the laptop on, yet wait for 10 seconds, then power it up again. Windows will automatically reinstall the battery drivers. Then close Device Manager and right-click on Start menu, choose Terminal Admin, then run this command. Copy the path. Open File Explorer and paste the path. If full charge capacity is far below design capacity, your battery health is poor. Note the cycle count and manufacture date in the report. Keep this file. It helps diagnose hardware faults. Then restart your laptop. Open Device Manager. Confirm batteries shows both entries. If one is missing, right-click the Action button at the top of Device Manager and select Scan for hardware changes. That's it. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe.